I'm Dr. Vani, Assistant Professor Senior of School of Civil Engineering, VIT Vellore. Here, maps don't speak until you teach them how. So let's see how to transform our images into intelligent spatial data. Let's start with the first process called digitization in that. So before starting, you can imagine the Google Maps without roads these days. Can you imagine a disaster management team trying to rescue people after a flood, but there are no digital maps? Similarly, you can't imagine urban planners trying to design a smart city without knowing where buildings, parks, and roads are. So these sounds impossible, right? So the same way, the truth is someone has to create those maps. And today you're going to learn the very first skill that every GIS professional, remote sensing analyst, and geospatial engineer must know. That is digitization. So welcome to our episode 1 of our complete QGIS practical series. So here, many beginners of GIS learners think GIS is just drawing lines and polygons. Actually, every line represents a real road, and every polygon represents a real building, and every point represents something that exists somewhere on the earth. So today we are not drawing, we are creating spatial intelligence. So don't think digitization is drawing the map. It's creating the spatial intelligence. Right. So today's exercise, database generation, that is digitization. In that we are going to use QGIS. You can use any of the latest version of QGIS. You can freely download from the internet and make use of that. And QGIS is one of the world's most powerful open source GIS software packages. So you know what is the best part of this? It's completely free and you can make use of that. Whether you are a student, researcher, government engineer, or industry professional, you can the same software you can use for projects ranging from village planning to satellite image analysis. So here, first we will take make use of a topo sheet. Think of this topo sheet as an old paper map. Right. Our job is to convert this paper information into digital information that the computer can understand. So, this process is the bridge between traditional cartography and the modern GIS. So, did you know that almost every navigation app you use today started with somebody digitizing the maps exactly like this? Right. So, before drawing anything, we need a proper database. So imagine writing an entire book without creating folders in your computer, right? Everything becomes messy in that case. So similarly, GIS stores not only shapes, it stores information about those shapes. That's why we first create a spatial database. So notice that here